It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, everything will be alright. When I'm with you.
So we just want to have a few words from the host. My name is Nicole. I'm here with you today on behalf of APAC DAO. So we are Web3 community in Asia Pacific. We help the Web3 builders, with expanding in Southeast Asia. So we are very glad to co-host this party today with ZK Land and Nethermind. Voyager, guys. And then I'm gonna pass on the mic to them so that they can introduce a few words about what they're doing.
Thank you. I will need to pass on the drinks. Thank you. Thank you a lot, Nicole. What do I hold this as well? Cool. Next to me. Thank you so much for everyone for coming. Thank you, Nicole. I'm Chi. I'm from Voyager. Voyager is a team in Nethermind that explore for Starknet. So for those who are looking into building on Starknet and you need like an E2CI experience, Voyager online, check it out. And if you have any feedback, let me know. And again, I want to thank everyone for coming. Have fun and use Voyager. And yeah.
All right.
Good job, boss.
Okay, cool. Hey guys, I'm the last one here. So nice to meet everyone. I'm Jane. I'm one of the co-founders of ZK Land. You may have gotten some emails from me about the attendance event confirmation, but very quickly, we are a lending protocol that's built on top of Starknet, and just generally really happy to be here to get to know the BUIDL community a little bit better, as well as the local Vietnam Web3 community. I think we're just here to do our small part to connect people together and learn a little bit more about Starknet and ZK. So please have a couple of drinks and come speak with us or whoever and have a great time.
DK Land.
Great. Okay, get back to the party, guys. Yeah.
Oh, wait. Sorry, guys. One more thing. So tomorrow there's actually a big event called Stark HCMC. So for developers, especially interested in Starknet, the Starkware team, I as well as Chi will be giving a couple talks. And so yeah, please attend. Please check out their event. And yeah, see you guys there.